Welcome students and parents to Career Management. This course prepares students to locate, secure, keep, and change careers. Emphasis is placed on self-assessment of characteristics, interests, and values, education and career exploration, evaluation of career information, and the creation of a career plan. Career Management is a career and technical education course, also known as CTE. Skills learned in this course include, but are not limited to, communications, interpersonal skills, problem solving, personal management, and teamwork. English language arts are reinforced. My name is Ave Billingslea, and I am excited to be your teacher for this class. While several call me Miss Billingslea, most call me Miss B or Coach B. I am also the varsity cheerleading coach for football, basketball, and competition seasons. While thinking about your future, several questions may come to mind. Will I go to college? Which college will I attend? What should I major in? Should I declare a minor? What will be my profession? Family. What will be the dynamic? Do I want to get married? How many children do I want to have? Where do I want to live? Do I want to be a physician or an entrepreneur? How much money do I want to make? This class offers you guidance and will assist you with the planning of your future. You will learn how to build your resume, how to have a successful interview, research the right college for you, and take fun personality assessments that may help you have a better understanding of yourself and match you with the perfect career for your future. No matter what your strengths or weaknesses may be, Career Management is here to help you put the pieces together. I am excited to have you in class, and I cannot wait to have a successful semester. See you soon!